Hi there guys, just wanted to update you on this video about how many lessons do I need. We get asked this question a hell of a lot. How many lessons do I need to pass my driving test? Oh, it's a tough question. I get my proverbial ball of string out and I say, how long is a piece of string? Because nobody knows. I think when people learn to drive, they're told there's going to be a specific number of hours. Well, that's not necessarily true because everyone learns differently. So think about when you're at school or at college, there was always that really smart person who could do it within, whatever they were doing, they could do it without even trying. And it probably used to irritate the hell out of you. And then you've obviously got other people who just tried and just could never get there. You might be somewhere in between. You might be one of those people. You might be a super duper fantastic quick learner, or you might be someone who really struggles. You just don't know. Don't take it for granted that it's going to be an easy ride. It's something you have to put a lot of work and effort and energy into. Between driving lessons, you need to study. You do need to look at your notes. You do need to look at your theory. The theory and the practical, they link together so intrinsically, it's unbelievable. Lots of people think that theory test, done, ticked, and then practical test, and then they're two separate things. They're not. They are very closely linked. If you're good at your theory and you're very knowledgeable, the driving obviously will become easier. Private practice, that's a really good thing. If you've got the ability or the access to another vehicle, private practice is what you need. You want to get the experience on the road, but yeah, don't think of it as a specific number. Think of it as when you're able to drive the car with no help from your driving instructor. So are you driving independently, or is the instructor prompting you or telling you what to do, or pointing out problems, like, what's the next hazard coming up, what do you see on the road? If they're doing that, you're nearly there. You will need a little bit more work, but you want to be driving independently, completely on your own. I'm going to show you a chart in a minute of roughly how many hours someone might need with extra private practice. So saying all what I've said, the DVSA do recommend that it's about 40 to 45-ish hours of instruction plus about 20-ish hours of private practice with a parent or friend or something like that. So it is on a sliding scale, so the younger you are, the quicker it's going to be. The older you are, the slower it's going to be, unfortunately. A lot of people think it's around the other way when, well, I'm older, so I should know what I'm doing. Actually, it's opposite. You generally find the older person will take a little bit longer to learn to drive. So I'll pop that up at the end of the video, and you can have a little look. But really, this video's here just to kind of say hard work and dedication. Don't give up. You will get there in the end, but learning to drive is not a set number of hours as a lot of people think it is. And you're ready when you're ready, and your instructor will obviously guide you on that and tell you when they think you're ready. Hope that helps. If you've got any comments or questions, do pop them in the box below in the comments bit. If you like it. If you feel like it was useful, great. And if you want to subscribe, hopefully we'll do some more videos next week, and then yeah, we'll see you on that one.